guys, we're back. Got a decent one here. That's a Leer 122 series. Fits the 07 to 13 GMC trucks with the full-size trucks with the 8-foot bed. Specifically for the GMCs. It will also work on the Chevys, but it was specifically built for a GMC. It's 122 series. This one has a sliding window in the side. On the front, the bay window has been deleted. They did not opt to get the bay window option. It's a pretty decent shape. Has a couple small minor issues, a couple of paint chips here and there. Front edge looks really nice. Bottom edge looks really good. Has a couple small chips right on the edge right there. And then right there's another one. Sorry, bottom edge there. Looks good all the way around to the back. A little bit of wear, mostly from the door opening and closing. This has a couple chips on the edge going up through here. Nothing real major, just a lot of stone chips. Probably was used. It looks like it was used and carried stuff in and out of there and hit the paint on the way through. It does have a small stress crack right there. It's really hard to see. You got to get the light just right because you don't even see it there. But you get the light just right, you can see it. It's not very big. So on that side looks pretty good. Sliding window on the side. Half sliders. Front is the picture window. Paint's pretty good. That's a small chip right there. Really not much. It's just a couple small chips. Right there. A couple of them down through there. Really not looking too bad. There's a little bit of a scratch right there. The top is really good. Has a small scratch there, but it really doesn't look too bad on the top. Which is surprising. Usually these high caps have a big scuff down the center of them from hitting something. A little bit of a crack in the gel coat right there. This looks really good. So there's some minor hairline stress cracks right there. Top edge, and this all looks really nice. Has some stone chips, same edge, same as the other one. It has the chips all the way down through there. Pretty much everywhere. On this back edge, got little chips on that. It does have a stress crack over here in the same spot, so probably had like a clothes hanger that they, or some sort of a cargo bar that they ran across from side to side. That looks like probably what that was from. That's usually what happens when you use those and you push them up against the fiberglass. Bottom edge of this one looks really good. Does have a couple small chips right there. I'm not seeing anything else on this edge. A couple small blemishes right there, it looks like. Looks really good. It does have the half side slider on this side as well. I think I did see a little bit of a stress crack right there as well, but nothing real major on that. Side looks good. The whole side, it's like a grayish green color. Nice, really good down through here. Does have the locking double T-handle locking rear door. Inside is carpeted. It's all carpeted on the inside here. Screens look pretty good on this side. Not seeing anything wrong with the screens over here. There's a little couple small tears in the carpet, but that could be probably glued back down. It does have the tilt down front picture window. You flip those levers down, the window comes in, so you can clean the front of the truck cap, front of the or the back of the cab window. Put that back in there. There it goes. Latch those back down again. Away you go. Couple small like tears or holes in the roof, carpet around here. Nothing real major, but there's just a bunch of it's been used. Screen on this side is a small hole right there, and then I think there's a small hole right there. Other than that, the screen looks really good. So just a little bit of tears in the carpet. Really not sure what they use this for, but there's a serial number to that. Leer units 122 series. There it is, the Leer 122 series high-rise cap. Fits the 07 to 13 GMC Sierras, full-size trucks, with the 8-foot bed. It will work on the Chevys as well. Back here on the back corner, right here, it's wider to clear a GMC bedside. Back in the last probably 12-18 inches. So if you use it on a Chevrolet, you're going to have about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch gap here from where it doesn't quite go against the back of the bed. But other than that, it will work on a Chevy or a GMC, the 07 to 13 body style. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which unit it is at, which location it is, how much we're asking for it, stuff like that. Purchase it online that way, or make arrangements to get it picked up, whatever. Also a link to our unit, our website in general, so if you're looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, stuff like that, that's all available online as well. Also, as with all our units, we do not ship these. They are local pickup only. You can make arrangements to pick them up at one of the stores, whichever one. You know, you can contact the store where it's at and make arrangements to get it picked up at one of our stores. Thanks for watching.